Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's video, we're going to break down the process of writing a Denmark visa invitation letter step by step. If you're inviting someone to visit you in Denmark, this letter plays a crucial role in the visa application process. Well, follow the exact structure of the letter template, explaining each section thoroughly so you can write a clear and professional letter. Grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's get started. Sender's information. The first section of the letter introduces you, the sender. Start by writing your full name, followed by your address, including your postal code and city in Denmark. After that, include your email address and phone number. For example, your full name, your address, postal code, city, Denmark, email address, phone number. This information helps the visa officer identify you as the host and allows them to contact you if they need further details. Double-check for accuracy, as even a small mistake in this section can lead to delays in processing the visa application. Date. Below your contact details, include the date on which you are writing the letter. Use a standard date format, such as March 6, 2025. The date is essential because it provides a timeline for the embassy and ensures the letter is valid for the application. Embassy details. Address the letter to the visa officer at the Royal Danish Embassy and include the embassy's full address in the visitor's country. For instance, the visa officer, Royal Danish Embassy. Embassy address in visitor's country, city country. This ensures your letter is directed to the correct recipient for review. Subject. The subject line should briefly and clearly state the purpose of the letter. For example, subject, invitation for visitors. Full name to visit Denmark. This makes it immediately clear to the visa officer what the letter is about. Salutation. Begin the main body of the letter with a formal greeting, such as, "Dear Visa Officer." A professional tone is important throughout the letter, starting with the salutation. Opening paragraph. Purpose of the letter. In the first paragraph, explain who you are inviting, their address, and the dates of their visit. State the reason for their visit, such as a family reunion, tourism, or attending a special event. For example, I am writing to formally invite visitor's full name, residing at visitor's address, city, state, zip code, country, to visit me in Denmark from start date to end date. The purpose of their visit is state reason, such as family reunion, tourism, or attending a special event. This introduction provides the embassy with a clear understanding of the visitor's purpose and travel dates. Purpose of visit and activities planned. In the next section, elaborate on the purpose of the visit and the activities you plan to do together in Denmark. Be specific and provide examples to show the legitimacy of the visit. For example, during their stay, we plan to mention planned activities, such as visit Copenhagen, explore historical landmarks, and experience the culture and traditions of Denmark. Visitor's full name is my state relationship, such as parent, sibling, friend, and this visit will allow us to spend quality time together. This section is important because it assures the visa officer that the visit is genuine and well planned. Accommodation and financial support. In this paragraph, confirm that you will provide accommodation for your visitor at your residence. Also, specify whether you will offer financial support during their stay. For example, I confirm that I will provide accommodation for visitor's full name at my residence located at your address throughout their stay in Denmark. Furthermore, I will state level of financial support, such as cover their living expenses and other related costs. This assurance demonstrates that your visitor will not face any logistical or financial challenges during their stay. Visitor's information. Provide the visitor's key personal details, including their full name, date of birth, passport number, and your relationship with them. For example, full name, visitors. Full name, date of birth, visitor's DOB. Passport number, visitor's passport number. Relationship to me, relationship such as sibling, friend. This information helps the embassy verify the visitor's identity and relationship to you. Supporting documents. List the documents you are attaching to support the invitation. This could include 1. A copy of your Danish ID or residence permit. Second, proof of your address in Denmark, such as a rental agreement or utility bill. 3. Recent bank statements or payslips as proof of financial capability. These documents provide additional evidence that supports the information in your letter. Assurance of compliance. In this section, reassure the visa officer that your visitor will follow Danish visa regulations and return to their home country after the visit. Highlight the visitor's strong ties to their home country, such as employment, education, or family commitments. For example, I assure you that visitor's full name will comply with all Danish visa regulations and return to their home country after their visit, as they have strong personal and professional ties there, including mentioned commitments such as employment, education, or family. This helps build trust in the legitimacy and temporary nature of the visit. Offering additional information. Conclude the main body of the letter by offering to provide more information if required. Should you require additional information or documentation, please do not hesitate to contact me at your phone number or your email address. Closing paragraph. Thank the visa officer for their time and consideration. Thank you for your time and consideration. Closing salutation. End the letter with a professional closing, such as, yours sincerely, your full name. Attachments. Finally, list all the attachments, such as attachments, copy of Danish ID or residence permit, proof of address in Denmark, financial proof, such as bank statements. And that's how you write a Denmark visa invitation letter. By following this structure, you'll create a professional and convincing letter to support your visitor's application. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe to Writing Practices and click the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.